So I'm at my camp spot. I did some moving around, as you can see, but I had the canopy over the picnic table. But then I was thinking, well, if it's raining, it'd be nice to have a fire. I wanted to be able to back my Jeep under the canopy like I normally do, but I don't think I'll be cooking off of the back, so it won't be that big a deal. So what I think I'm going to do is back my Jeep up at an angle, and then I have this 8-foot awning here that will go basically from here out, and then I'll have one long extended cover. So I'm going to try that, but well, I have to say that my setup is holding up pretty well. You can see this coming down. Fire is struggling, which I should have known because, you know, I've never put a canopy over the top of it. I was a little hesitant on that. I'm still not 100% sure about it because all that smoke will get stuck and contained within inside the canopy up top, and it won't be able to breathe. I'm just going to keep the fire light, and there's enough wind that's actually keeping some circulation going through there, so it's not that bad. I also obviously don't want to catch the thing on fire, so err on the side of caution when doing that. What the? Sparkling water? Seriously? Can I make top ramen with that? Have any of you made top ramen with sparkling water before? Yeah, that might not be very good. What am I thinking? Got all kinds of water. Watts, 600 watts. This electric kettle is pushing out. Not bad. Hold on one sec. this laptop going, get a little movie going and just relax, stay out of the rain for a little bit, probably shut her down, and then I'll catch up with everyone in the morning. I'm gonna have a bowl of my Magic Spoon cereal. It's a new cereal that I'm trying. Another YouTuber that I follow was eating it and recommended it. High in protein and other nutrients. So I'm gonna give it a shot. Well, I want to thank everyone for tuning in on this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Saw my setup. It was actually pretty nice. It rained pretty hard, but spent a lot of time inside the vehicle, just watching movies and relaxing. It's just a one-night thing. So if you haven't hit that subscribe button, please do so now. If you don't already know, if you're not out there already doing it, get busy living. Until next time, thanks for watching. Take care. So like I've mentioned before, if you haven't seen it, my other awning video, I'm 5'10", and I can stand up. I mean, obviously my head is hitting the awning a little bit. You know, I push up, but really, I'm not going to be spending a lot of time in here. It's going to be more for in and out of the door, getting stuff, and then when I'm using the sink and the wash area. But I would like to raise it up just so I don't have to worry about that. Again, I could get another side rail or figure something out to raise that up another 4 inches or so, and it would be good. So one important tip too that I want to throw in there is when camping, what I've learned so far camping in this Jeep, whether I'm cooking like right off the back or I'm staying contained within the Jeep itself, organization. I mean, just the littlest things can be pretty annoying because you're so confined and you're so tight already. So the things that you need, the things that you're planning on using, whether it's making coffee, making your breakfast, starting your vehicle, turning off your vehicle, turning on the heat, anything. With the Jeep Cherokee at least. I don't have a lot of headspace, so the movements for me are super important. So I like to be organized, just have everything within arm's reach. So I hope that helps.